Fire is ready to go. These are the spools which are gonna go on the top right. Forks, I would say, not really spools. Okay. We'll start taking it apart our front wheels. We'll take this off. I took the sliders out from both sides. It's gonna unscrew this one. Took this one out. We have our tire back from the shop. We will be putting this on. Just make sure when you put it on that the thread is facing backwards. Done. You have to make sure these are all tied up. Everything looks good.